In today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on Amazon stock. My dear friends, this stock is currently on a verge of breakout due to multiple positive factors trigger on the stock simultaneously, and as a result, it gives us an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate and buy position before a massive quick upside rally of 5 to 6% going to get trigger from the current price. My dear friends, this stock is already trading near to an important resistance level, and that level has been already broken out. Along with that, multiple positive factors which has been already materialized, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock before an upside rally get triggered. My dear friends, this stock was under correction since from December 2024, and stock has spent almost more than 1.5 months under corrections, and ultimately the stock had broken out from the corrections, and it has given a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside bounce from the current price. If you make a closer look over here, this was a top where the stock has started the corrections in the form of downward sloping parallel channel, and as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got triggered with back to back lower lows. If you could see over here, the first lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows over here, and the last lower lows over here. And as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, first time we had witnessed the lower lows shifted to higher highs. Here we got a two major positive signal. The first positive signal is downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, and because of that the downside fall got an stiff break. And secondly, second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever we identify the lower lows are getting into an higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. And my dear friends, if you'll pull, and third, we'll see the third positive signal over here, and that will be a diversion. If you'll keep an MACD, MACD indicators, you'll be able to witness a positive diversion between the price action and MACD oscillation. If you'll see over here, the price action is more tilting on the downside, but if you'll same thing, if you'll notice the MACD oscillation, it's tilting on the upper side, and this was an area where we got a breakout, and this positive diversion will going to pump an upside move on the stock. And finally, we will discuss the positive chart pattern. So if you'll see over here, we got a rounding chart pattern broken out from the resistance. If you'll see over here, we got a clear rounding top patterns, and this is a neckline of the rounding top of, and that will be around 233, which we already got about closing about 233. That means the positive pattern rounding bottom got trigger, and very soon you will see the target. Very soon you will see the target of $244 immediately, and this would be around 5 to 4 to 5% immediate run up. And my dear friends, and now you can keep this for the stop loss. There are multiple option available. You can use ATR for the stop loss, or you can keep the nearest lower swing low as a stop loss, or you make sure that you have to place your stop loss in such a condition where your risk to reward ratio should be 1:2 or 1:1.5. And finally, friends, this area of neckline will going to act as a very important support because multiple positive factors got trigger over here. This was an area where we have identified the downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper end. This was an area where we have witnessed the lower lows shifted to higher highs. This was an area where we have identified the diversion, positive diversion between the price action and MACD indicator, and this is an area where we have find the rounding chart pattern breakout. So with due respect of all positive breakouts, this area which was earlier an resistance, now it has turned into an important support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. And that's it, my dear friends, for today's analysis. If you like my video, if you really love my analysis, please give thumbs up or give a like to my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, friends. Thank you. Bye bye.